And as we've told you, a date has now been set for the fall of 2025 to begin the death penalty federal trial for the defendant in the May 2022 mass shooting case here in Buffalo. Previously, we've spoken with a legal expert from Pittsburgh who saw many similarities in the 2018 mass shooting at a synagogue in that city and this supermarket case here in Buffalo, both of which are death penalty prosecutions now. In Buffalo federal court today, there were numerous references to that Pittsburgh case. When it comes to the case involving the shooter in the top supermarket attack, St. Vincent College professor Bruce Ankowiak, who's a former federal prosecutor, defense attorney, and law school professor, feels certain the prosecution and death penalty verdict last November against Robert Bowers in the Pittsburgh shooting case prompted the Justice Department to go ahead here, even with the incredible image showing Robert Bowers' name actually scribbled on the rifle used by the Buffalo shooter.
It would be hard for me to believe that the Bowers situation did not have some impact here. The circumstances of the Bowers case and this one are eerily and tragically similar. They were instances in which individuals were clearly targeted on the basis of their either religious faith or their race. A multiple number of wholly innocent people were slaughtered in each circumstance.
So now the court clock is up and running for the federal public defenders here in the Buffalo case.
It will take a considerable period of time for the defense to gather all of the evidence that they believe they will need to present to this jury, not just psychiatric testimony, but deep background information about the defendant that they believe would mitigate the penalty.
Bruce Ankowiak of the St. Vincent College, he says to expect numerous court proceedings and filings from both sides as the case moves forward, and then a lengthy, very complicated jury selection process in that case.